Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to a brand new video. So as you have read in the title below, in today's video I'm going to be sharing these top 5 very basic yet effective makeup tips which I wish I knew earlier, or even if you are like a beginner in makeup, I think this is going to help you definitely to ace your makeup look to the next level. So yes, if you are interested, then please continue watching the video. But before that, if you're seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Nidhi. I create videos on beauty, lifestyle, skincare, hair care, hairstyles and a lot more. So please make sure that you hit that red subscribe button because I'm sure you're gonna love it here. And now without wasting any further time, let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so let's begin with the first thing, that is of course moisturizing the skin अच्छे से. I'm gonna apply my sunscreen. I'm out of moisturizer currently. I have to go and get one today. So आज के लिए we are directly gonna be applying sunscreen. But okay, so now we're going to be doing the second step of makeup, which also brings me to the first tip that I really want to share. First thing, I just apply my concealer on the areas that I think it's necessary to kind of like, apply concealer. And yeah, so I just apply that much. But one tip that I really want to give is, whether you're applying foundation, whether you're applying concealer, whether you're applying any BB or CC cream, or whatever cream you apply, or even moisturizer and sunscreen for that matter, make sure. But I think today I'm going to be talking about makeup. So just applying my concealer, make sure that you take it down to your neck. भले ही आप थोड़ा से लगाओ, but make sure that you do that, because trust me, if you do not apply it on your neck, I don't know on camera, but real में it kind of shows the difference आपके face and neck में, which honestly doesn't look good. That's the reason I really wanted to share this tip. And now with that comes the second tip, which is make sure कि you always wet your sponge. मैंने इसको wet already कर दिया. You can wet it with your makeup spray. I have used normal water because that really helps in proper blending. अगर आप wet ना करके dry वाले sponge से blend करें, then you are gonna see the difference, because बहुत ज़्यादा patchy सा लगता है, which doesn't look good. Your makeup will not blend evenly. So for that seamless, even blending, make sure that you always use your wet sponge. It really brings a lot of difference. So I'm just gonna be blending everything, and whatever is left मेरे sponge में, वही product को I'm taking it all around my face. I'm not gonna be adding any new product. Take your time and blend it properly, because last video में अभी I have said, if you have seen it, that blending is the key for that seamless looking base, or your maybe your foundation or your concealer. So time लेकर मैं अच्छे से blend करूँगी. Okay, so I've blended it all in अच्छे से. I've also done a little bit of my eyebrows. I do not do much. I just stick onto the normal shape dimension and I just kind of add a little bit of color. So that's what I have done. And now we're going to move to the next tip, I would say, or a little bit of like, thing that is, I think, going to help everyone, especially if you're a beginner and you're always stuck कि आप अपने eye makeup के लिए क्या करें, because दिखते हैं आई मेकअप बहुत हार्ड एंड बहुत सारे टाइप्स के, सो इट कैन बी कंफ्यूजिंग. सो समथिंग दैट इज़ बेसिक, ईजी, येट लुक्स गुड विथ ऑलमोस्ट ऑल योर आउटफिट्स, ऑल योर ओकेजन्स. सो कुछ ऐसे मैं आपको बताने की कोशिश करूँगी. तो सबसे पहले व्हाट आई एम गोना बी टेलिंग इज, यू टेक योर कंसीलर, जो भी कंसीलर आपके पास है, जो भी आपने यूज़ किया, एंड अ ब्रश विच इज़ समथिंग पॉइंटेड लाइक दिस. सो वी आर जस्ट गोना बी टेकिंग लिटिल बिट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट अपने ब्रश में, and I'm just going to be adding it on the corner like this, upper and lower, and create like a V आपके आई शेप की ही. I have done it. Yes, there you go. This is the V I was talking about. Now we're going to close this concealer, and then you can use whatever eyeshadow palette you have, like any palette, and उसमें जो भी bright color आपको दिखे वो आप ले ले, because मेरे इस eyeshadow palette में काफ़ी neutral shades है. I do not have इसमें कुछ भी जो बहुत ज़्यादा bright है, so that's why something जो मुझे लग रहा है कि हाँ, so I'm taking something in the red family. वही same brush में I'm gonna be taking it, and I'm just gonna put it जहाँ पे मैंने concealer लगाया हुआ था इसके ऊपर ही आप लगा ले वेरी लाइट हैंडेडली. दैट इज़ योर इनर कॉर्नर के ऊपर अबव योर कंसीलर, एंड मेक श्योर दैट यू डोंट जस्ट लीव इट, यू आर काइंड ऑफ लाइक डिफ्यूजिंग इट टू द इनवर्ड्स ऐसे. देयर यू गो. सेम थिंग नीचे भी आप लगा ले एंड मेक श्योर दैट यू काइंड ऑफ डिफ्यूज इट. There you go, that's it. And now with the same brush again, take the white, जो भी white shade का आपके पास आई शेडो हो ना, उसको सेम I'm gonna be taking it brush में very little, just a dot maybe, and आपको उसको place करना है जो innermost corner है वहाँ पे एक single dot like this. I am gonna be placing it like this. There you go, that's it. That's pretty much it I'm going to be doing. Now you can see the difference already. ये eyes elongated and काफ़ी ऐसा उभरा हुआ लग रहा है as compared to this eye. It's very simple, very basic, yet it creates a difference, and honestly it looks very pretty. If you want to go a step ahead and do something more, what you can do is don't touch this part anymore. Creating this wing without touching the inner corner बिल्कुल भी आराम से. Just a second. There you go, a simple wing, and that's it. Look at the difference. Now I'm going to be doing the same eye makeup for this side. I'm going to be back super soon. There you go. It literally took me like one brush and eyeshadow palette to complete this look. ये वाला थोड़ा सा नीचे या थोड़ा सा फैट हो गया एज कम्पेयर टू दिस वन, बट एनी वे दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस आई मेकअप. इट्स गोना लुक ब्यूटिफुल anyhow you do it. So this was a small little eye makeup or tip that I really wanted to share. And uske baad of course you need to add on your mascara to kind of enhance your eyes more. Okay, so now that the eye look is done, it looks so pretty in my opinion. Now coming to adding a little bit of color back to our skin, of course I have always been using tints and blushes. I love it. That's my favorite makeup product, of course. So if you do not own any tint, trust me, you do not need someone who is too much into makeup. Do not invest in tints. जो भी लिपस्टिक आपके पास है, विच एवर शेड, ट्रस्ट मी, लाइक लिटरली द वन दैट आई एम गोना बी डूइंग टुडे इज़ दिस चोको पेबल. ये चॉकलेट शेड का है. सो दिस इज़ माई नेक्स्ट स्टेप, दैट वट एवर लिपस्टिक यू हैव, दिस इज़ लाइक अ ब्राउन चॉकलेटी शेड. इफ़ यू हैव पिंक, रेड, वेरी गुड. इफ़ नॉट, वट एवर लिपस्टिक यू हैव, उसको अपने हैंड के बैक पे apply it like this in no order of preference. Just apply it. Add little bit of whatever moisturizer you have. I do not even have a moisturizer today, so I'm applying my sunscreen. बहुत थोड़ा से आपको apply करनी है, like a tiny dot of your sunscreen, and just kind of mix it together. Mix it. You're gonna see that your moisturizer or your sunscreen has changed, or it has acquired that tint of whatever shade of lipstick you have applied. अच्छे से mix करने के बाद apply it on your skin or your cheeks now, and just kind of blend it. This also helps you to blend very quickly and gives you the most pretty shade ever. Even अगर आप थोड़ा ज़्यादा भी आपने अप्लाई कर लिया है, no issues, you can blend it, make it look very seamless and pretty. So yes, अच्छे से अप्लाई कर लिया है. Little bit on my nose because I like that rosy kind of effect. ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा. That's all. See, there's nothing left and I've applied everything, and I think it kind of just uplifts your makeup, gives very pretty looking cheeks. It is also kind of it is also kind of your highlighter, because उसमें moisturizer या sunscreen जो भी आप use करें, it's of course gonna be shining, so that looks like a highlighter. Your skin looks all glowy, dewy, just how I love my makeup to be. And with that, we have also come to the last tip of today's video, which is also going to be very helpful. Trust me, very easy yet helpful. अगर आप directly lipstick apply कर रहे हो ना, just change a little bit of your routine and you're going to see the difference. Make sure that you always use a lip liner. आप कोई भी lip liner use कर सकते हो. It's good if you have like a brown tone lip liner. This one is from My Glam. You can use any lip liner. There are so many options, affordable maybe. And then first, कुछ इसमें आपको हार्ड चीज़ नहीं करनी है. जो भी आपकी लिप्स की शेप है, बस उसमें यू हैव टू क्रिएट अ आउटर लाइन लाइक दिस. There you go. And as I have lined it, you can see I'm going to be applying a little bit of this color towards the in. That's it, not completely, थोड़ा सा मैंने लगाया है. Now whatever lipstick you're gonna be using, I'm gonna use the same lipstick which I've applied as blush, which is this Choco Pebble. I am gonna apply my lipstick normally. And then what I like to do is, I like to use my fingers and kind of smudge it like this. Yes, that's it. That's the difference that your lip liner can bring. Trust me on that. Your lips are going to look so defined and much better. Also, you can overline it if you want more plumpy appearance. You can go ahead and do all of that. I've just shared these 5, I would say, basic yet so much effective tips, because which can help you make your makeup turn out to be very effortless, very smooth and good looking, of course. So yes, these were my top 5 tips. If you want to know, or if you want to see a part 2, then please make sure that you comment down below. I'll be more than happy to film it for you guys. And if you guys like this video, then you know the drill. So please make sure that you like this video, share it with your family, share it with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, or if you haven't already, then please take a moment and make sure that you hit that red subscribe button. Follow me on my Instagram. All the links are going to be in the description box. I'll super soon be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.